Hindi lahat ng bata natutuwa sa pasukan, lalo na yung mga madalas biktima ng pangbubuli ng mga kaklase.
It is undeniable that bullying has a negative effect on a student, particularly in his or her performance in school. This is something the Department of Education, or DepEd, wants to focus on. Secretary Sunny Angara assured the DepEd is strictly monitoring each school's implementation of their respective anti-bullying policies.
Each school is required to have an anti-bullying policy, pero hindi sinasabi ng batas kung how strict they have to be, pero kailangan may policy. Pero ang problema on the ground,